Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if your products aren't showing on your store, it's usually a simple setting issue. So in today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix products not publishing in Shopify in the 2026 version. Well, let's get started. Well, first, all you're gonna do now is open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, and go to the shopify.com. Check basically the product's status by opening the product and ensure it's fully active. This is the main vision or menu that you're gonna see where you put your login details. Go into products here in this top left corner. Now check if it's active. You can also check sales channels. Scroll down and confirm online store is selected. Check product availability as well. Ensure products are published to the correct markets. You can also go and check any inventory levels. Out of stock items may not display. It's so normal. Check your product visibility date. Scheduled product won't appear yet. And clear any tab case that would basically do you some problems where you are visiting the store. You can also try and resave the products. You can basically delete them and put them back again. Tap on that save button and it will be fully saved. As a little pro tips, bulk edit products for faster fixes. Always preview product pages. Avoid any conflicting inventory apps. And that's it basically. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.